Russia is the 7th largest economy in the world in terms of GDP, and the 6th in terms of purchasing power, and the 3rd of the military budget. The Russian economy is mainly relay on oil and gas revenues. The Russian economy is one of the emerging economies. In this video, we will show you the biggest projects of Russia in the future. But before we get started, don't forget to share the video and subscribe the channel. The aircraft carrier Varan. Varan is an aircraft carrying ship distinguished by a high level of automation. It can carry 24 multi-role fighters, 6 helicopters, and 20 drones. The air power includes future UAVs. The ship has a high automatic control integrated into the command system. Varan displacement is close to 45,000 tons. It is 250 meter long and 65 meter wide. The draft by the construction waterline is 9 meters. The warship can develop a speed of 26 knots. Varan is to be powered by a gas turbine unified with propulsion units of the Russian Navy. Nizhnekamsk-Naberezhnye Chelny bypass. The project involves the construction of the Nizhnekamsk-Naberezhnye Chelny bypass in Tatarstan, Russia. Construction work started in Q4 2021 and is expected to be completed in Q4 2024. The purpose of the project is to reduce traffic congestion in the region. Power of Siberia 2. Sino-Russian large-diameter natural gas pipeline project, which passes through Mongolia and has an annual capacity of 50 billion cubic meters for gas transportation. Russia will build the Power of Siberia 2 natural gas pipeline project across Mongolia to China within 2 years. Moscow will also link natural gas fields that supply Europe with Asia for the first time. The China-Russia natural gas pipeline project in Siberia 2 will start in 2024. Floating nuclear power plants in Russia. The hull of this floating nuclear station is 140 meters long and 30 meters wide. The weight of the chassis without equipment is 9,549 tons. With equipment 19,088 tons. The structure is expected to be delivered to Russia before the end of 2023. The following installation of reactors and other facilities will continue to be completed, and their installed capacity is 106 megawatts, thus building a new generation of floating nuclear power plants in Russia. Pergola Railway Bridge. The project involves the construction of an 11 meters wide railway bridge in Kaliningrad, Russia. Construction work commenced in Q4 2021 and is expected to finish in Q2 2024. The project aims to improve the railway infrastructure in the region. Border rail between Helsinki and Russia. Railroads will shorten the journey time between Helsinki and Russia. The project aims to connect the planned 659-kilometer Moscow-St. Petersburg high-speed train, which is currently scheduled to be completed in 2026. Travel time between Russia and the Finnish capital will be allowed up to 6 hours, which will help increase the flow of tourists in both directions. The project cost is 2.65 billion euros. Pregolya Road Bridge. The project involves the construction of a 66 meters long, 32 meters wide 6-lane road bridge in Kaliningrad, Russia. Construction work started in Q4 2021 and is forecast to complete in Q4 2025. The project aims to improve the road infrastructure in the region. Zavulzhye Aluminum Can Production Plant. The project involves the construction of an aluminum can production plant with a capacity of 1 billion cans per year in Ulyanovsk, Russia. Construction work commenced in Q4 2021 and is expected to be completed in Q1 2023. The project aims to serve the fast-growing Russian market, especially in the beer and energy drinks categories. It will create 200 jobs in the region. Zapadno-Asomkinskoye gas pipeline system. The project involves the construction of a gas pipeline system with a capacity of 91 million cubic meters of LPG per annum in Russia. Construction work started in Q4 2021 and is expected to be completed in Q4 2024. The project aims to reduce the number of greenhouse gases generated during oil production and to increase the economic efficiency of production by monetizing a valuable natural resource. In your opinion, what is the best project in Russia? Share your opinion with us in the comments. Are there projects that we did not mention? Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and share the video and like.